Hello again, it's me, Miss J, and I'm here with another quick tip. Now, people ask me about washing my hair, and I've been telling people to go on YouTube and watch the videos about vinegar and baking soda, so I figured I'd make a video myself. So, what you do, I'm going to use a bowl, fill it with water, and if you want to measure, you can. I'm not really going to measure. What I'm going to use is baking soda. You can put about a cup of baking soda. Okay. And people say they use apple cider vinegar. I use white vinegar. Chemical reaction. You put about a cup of that. Some people use lemon juice. Tablespoon of that. And sea salt. What you're making is a rinse. You can put a tablespoon of sea salt. It doesn't matter what brand of any of these things you use. These are the brands that I'm using. You can use whatever brand is accessible for you. So we'll put a tablespoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. Pink Himalayan sea salt. And I'm just going to rinse my hair. And if anybody wants to know how I got my hair wrapped up the way I had it, just leave a comment and I'll go ahead and make a video about how I put my hair up and out of the way so that I can, do different things. Okay, so first, of course, you want to get the ends in. And what the vinegar and baking soda does is it actually starts to break down whatever's in your hair and starts to strip it. This is also a good way of stripping color. If you have color in your hair that you want to take out of your hair, you can actually use this and it'll strip the color out of your hair. Just rinsing, making sure the water goes through. Be careful. Remember, it's vinegar. You don't want it in your eyes. I hope before I started you got a good look at the water. It was clear, but of course, because I put a little pink Himalayan salt in it, it had a slightly pink color. So my hair wasn't extremely dirty, but it still is able to strip all of the oils, the dirt, any product you have in your hair. It's able to get it all out. See how the water looks? You want to keep going until you feel like you saturated every lock and every part of your hair with the rinse. And we're gonna follow up with some water, rinse the hair out until the water runs clear. This is a great way to wash your hair naturally. What do you think? Is it time to rinse? Mm-hmm. This is just me rinsing the rest of the rinse out of my hair, and you can see that the vinegar and baking soda breaks everything down to the point where now you can actually rinse it out of your hair. When you're done, your hair feels very light. It doesn't feel heavy or anything. See, look at that. That's the first rinse. Second rinse. But I dream like no one else. Sorry, baby, no time to talk. You better watch your step while I'm going up. Once I start. This rinse actually works so well. This is something that if you use a lot of products, you can do to your hair maybe once a month or once every 2 months to make sure that your locks are free of buildup. Just keep squeezing to get all of the oils and dirt out of your hair. This is rinse number 3. Rise to the top, you know the good ones always rise to the top, I always knew that I would rise to the top, you know the good ones always rise to the top, yeah, yeah. You know I'm better than good, I'm the cream of the crop. I'm always aiming high, that's just the getting a little bit lighter. Rinse number 4. See? I think rinse number 5 should get what's left out of my hair. And this is how you do it. You literally just rinse the dirt and oils out of your hair. Now after this, if you want, you can shampoo your hair, but I can tell you my hair is clean. It doesn't smell like vinegar. And what I normally do is just style it, oil and style my hair after this. Take about 5 rinses to get all of the vinegar and baking soda out of my hair, along with the dirt and everything else, see? So, this is Miss J. That was my quick tip on how I get buildup out of my locks. Okay. So if you have any questions, just leave me a question, comment, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know if there are any other videos that you'd like me to make. And length check my hair. I've been growing my locks for 10 years, and right about here. It's right at my butt. It's Miss J, Miss J7. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe.